Hello everyone, here's what the finished scarf of the bear looks like. Now, let's crochet this section together using red yarn. The finished samples shown at the beginning and end of the video are made with chenille yarn, but we'll use tube yarn for the demo. This makes it easier for you to see each stitch clearly while learning. We will need to start with slip knot to work 40 chain stitches. Work 39 single crochet from the second stitch from hook, 39 stitches in total. Now, left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Hold on the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Pull tight, so we got one slip knot. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work one chain stitch. The second chain stitch. 3. Repeat chain stitch to finish 40 chain stitches for round 1. Finished 40 chain stitches. This is the first chain stitch from hook. This is the second chain stitch. Insert hook back into the second stitch from hook and work one single crochet. Mark the stitch. Repeat with 38 more single crochet. The second single crochet. 3. 4. 5. Repeat single crochet to finish 39 single crochet for round 1. Now, the last single crochet of round 1. Work one chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 3-inch long tail. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. Tie a double knot with the T-yarn ends. Use the needle to hide the yarn tail in the stitches on the back of the piece. Make sure to slide the needle under the stitches not over so the yarn tail stays hidden within the fabric. Cut off the yarn. Finished the scarf of the bear.